Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Can Goodbudget help you save money faster? Goodbudget is a digital budgeting application built on the traditional envelope system. Instead of relying on physical cash, users allocate their income into virtual spending categories, known as envelopes, determining exactly how much money is available for groceries, utilities, entertainment, and long-term goals. By establishing clear spending caps before the month begins, the app forces a disciplined approach to personal finance that naturally curtails impulsive purchases. The core mechanism driving faster savings in Goodbudget is intentional restriction. When an envelope reaches a zero balance, spending in that category must stop unless funds are actively transferred from another category. This friction brings immediate psychological awareness to daily transactions. Furthermore, the platform includes specific features for annual and irregular expenses, allowing users to set aside fractional amounts monthly for recurring yearly bills like insurance or subscriptions, preventing unexpected costs from derailing savings goals. For households and couples, Goodbudget offers real-time budget synchronization across multiple devices. Shared visibility ensures both partners remain accountable to the same financial targets, eliminating miscommunication that frequently causes overspending. The app also tracks debt repayment progress, helping users visualize how clearing liabilities frees up capital for future savings. However, whether it accelerates savings depends heavily on the chosen tier and user habits. The free version requires manual transaction entry for every purchase. While this manual process can feel tedious, many find that logging every dollar manually reinforces spending mindfulness. The premium tier introduces automated bank syncing via Plaid, removing the friction of manual entry for users who prefer hands-off tracking. Goodbudget does not feature advanced investment tracking or net worth calculators. It focuses exclusively on day-to-day cash flow management. For individuals struggling with discretionary spending who need a structured framework to live within their means, Goodbudget provides a practical mechanism to plug financial leaks and accumulate savings more efficiently. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.